Hal, Hal. Hal got fired in his job today. Hal got fired at so many jobs. Hal doesn't have a family. So Hal went on an adventure to Invisible Kingdom. Hal can never afford a boat. Hal will always be broke. But who made Hal broke? Let's go! Hal will always get what life is. Hal will never get what you are called, Hal. Always say Hal during Hal's live stream. This is Agent Rihanna. On your way. And also, Agent Hal will also show you a brand new episode every cut hour at Hal Snap. Hal will always get a Happy New Year's time. Hell. Ho, ho, ho. Meow.